Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Kate Smith. I'm a local realtor in Hollywood, Florida, with Kate Smith Group, Brosta and Bentley Realtors. If this is your first time to this channel, I would like to invite you to subscribe and stay tuned for more real estate information, market reports, videos, how-tos, current trends, market trends, design trends, anything that you need to know real estate related, it's right here. Today we will be talking about what are the current trends for home design 2019. If you're a current homeowner or in the market to buy, you're probably curious about the latest trends in home design and where are these headed in 2019. There are two things you always have to remember. Stand out, but be in. Sellers who make strategic updates before listing a property can generate increased interest from buyers and in some cases a premium selling price. And buyers should consider which features of a home will need updating immediately or in the near future so that they can factor in renovation costs into their overall budget. Second, think timeless. Even if you have no immediate plans to buy or sell, we advise our clients to be thoughtful about colors, materials, and finishes they select when planning to remodel. Making over-personalized or unpopular design choices could hurt a home value when it does come time to sell. And selecting out-of-style and overly trendy elements could cause your renovation to feel dated already. So we share with you today 8 of the hottest home design trends for 2019. Number 1, let's talk about colors. What are the fashionable colors for 2019? Warmer paint colors. I hope you can see my screen. Dove gray with lilac undertone is a particular favorite. 2. Mixed metals, the newest trend for 2019. Designers are mixing metals in 2019. And their favorites include copper, brass, pewter, gunmetal, and matte black. Picking one metal hue to dominate your color palette, contrasting tone to complement it. 3. Outdoor elements. Bring them in. Bringing in outdoor elements help warm up a sterile space, and natural materials can soften a modern design aesthetic. Homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to incorporate these materials through their home. Especially popular right now, stone, copper, concrete, and wood. From showers to stone tiles, designers are finding unexpected ways to bring the outside in. There is one notable exception. Engineered quartz, which is a combination of ground quartz and resin, overtook natural granite stone as the most popular countertop material in 2018, and this trend continues in 2019. This durable, low-maintenance, and highly customizable product has won over homeowners and designers alike. Number 4, alternative appliances. Stainless steel has been the industry standard for years, but the market is trending toward variety and fresh alternatives. Homeowners have more options than ever to personalize their kitchen with vibrant colors, black stainless, or modern white appliances. And there is another favorite, integrated appliances that blend seamlessly into the cabinets. Blend-in column refrigerators, which allow you to customize the design and size of your freezer and refrigerator, are becoming a must-have for the higher-end homes. Advancements in technology have also brought new wave of appliances in the market. Induction cooktops are replacing the commercial gas ranges as gourmet favorite. French door ovens and steam ovens are also gaining popularity, especially popular smart features you can control from an app on your smartphone. Actually, my favorite is a built-in home chef. Well, I guess that's gonna be next generation. 5. Colorful kitchens. White will always be a classic choice, but color is finally coming back. More homeowners are choosing cabinets in alternative neutrals like cream and gray, along with colorful options like high gloss green, blue, fiery red. Two-tone kitchen cabinets remain a homeowner favorite as well. Number 6 on our list is the open shelving. Chef-inspired concept, swapping upper kitchen cabinets for open shelves, continues to be a popular choice in 2019. And of course the reasons are being cost-effective update, kitchen feels larger and brighter. However, this may not be a practical option for everyone. There is always an alternative. Replace just 1 or 2 upper cabinets with open shelves and see how you like it. Number 7, statement tile. In 2019, homeowners are gravitating toward more colorful choices, creative textures and finishes, and alternative shapes. Especially hot right now, hexagons, arabesque, diamonds, even Moroccan fish scales. Natural stone remains a favorite, including marble, quartzite, and river rock. But advancements in porcelain tile that mimic stone and even concrete has made it an attractive, affordable, and low-maintenance alternative. Number 8. Showcase ceilings. Once an afterthought, the ceilings are taking center stage. In 2018, it was all about statement walls. Statement ceilings are now shaping up to be the darling of 2019. Designers are using bold paint colors, wallpaper, intricate molding, fabric, and other materials to transform a ceiling into something truly special. If you want to incorporate this trend without going too bold, choose a classic design like coffered or wooden beams, or stick with wood paneling or tin tiles for a more timeless look. Even something as simple as painting a ceiling the same color as the walls can make your space more modern. So if you're contemplating remodel, want to find out how upgrades would impact the value of your home, give us a call for a free consultation. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and you found it useful. Are you contemplating of remodeling your home before you put it on the market this year? Why don't you give us a call? We'll be very happy to come out and take a look at your home, and we will advise you on which improvements will increase your home value and which improvements would not make any difference at all. So give us a call, 786-412-8510. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.